Speak Up English, the key to success.
Mia, I've been thinking about improving my English speaking skills. Any tips?
Absolutely, Michael. English is a fantastic language to learn. First, try watching English movies or TV shows with subtitles. It's both fun and educational.
That sounds doable. Got any movie recommendations?
Start with something light, like a romantic comedy. You'll learn phrases and have a good time.
Rom-com it is. What else?
Conversation is crucial. Find a language exchange partner or join a conversation club. It'll boost your confidence.
Good idea! And I heard tongue twisters can help. Know any fun ones?
Absolutely. How about this one? She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashore. Phew, that's tricky.
You'll get the hang of it. And speaking of hang, don't forget to hang out with native speakers when you can. Immersion is the best teacher.
That makes sense. But what if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are part of learning, Michael. Don't worry about them. In fact, here's a joke. Why did the scarecrow become a successful speaker? Because he was outstanding in his field.
That's a good one, Mia. Thanks for the reminder about not taking things too seriously.
You're welcome, Michael. Learning should be enjoyable. And remember, confidence is half the battle. Believe in yourself.
I will, Mia. Thanks for these fantastic tips. I'm excited to start my English learning journey.
Anytime, Michael. Learning a new language is like unlocking a whole new world.
You know, Mia, I'm starting to see that learning English can be quite an adventure.
Absolutely, Michael. Language is like a treasure hunt, and each word you learn is a new discovery.
I also heard that reading can help. Do you have any book recommendations?
Reading is a fantastic way to expand your vocabulary. You might enjoy classics like To Kill a Mockingbird or contemporary novels like The Fault in Our Stars.
Those sound interesting. And what about vocabulary? Any tricks to remember new words?
Mnemonics can be your best friend. Create funny or memorable associations for new words. For example, gargantuan sounds like a giant's yawn.
Gargantuan it is. I won't forget that one. What about grammar?
Grammar can be tricky, but there are many online resources with exercises and explanations. And don't forget to practice speaking and writing regularly.
I'm ready to dive into this journey, Mia. Thanks for all the guidance.
You've got this, Michael. Just keep at it, and one day you'll be speaking English like a pro.
And when that day comes, I'll owe it to you, Mia.
No need for that, Michael. Just promise to teach me some tongue twisters in your language.
Deal! And we can have our own language exchange. You know, Mia, it's not just about learning English. This journey is helping me see the world from different angles.
That's one of the beautiful things about language learning. It opens your mind to new cultures, ideas, and ways of thinking.
And it's amazing how a simple conversation can lead to such profound insights.
Conversations are like bridges that connect people and ideas, Michael.
Well, I'm grateful for this conversation and the connection we've formed today.
Likewise, Michael. Take care, keep learning, and remember, you've got a world of words waiting to be explored.
I will, Mia. Until next time. Mia, this conversation has been incredible. I feel so motivated to start my English journey.
I'm thrilled to hear that, Michael. Remember, every small step counts, and I'm here whenever you need advice or just a friendly chat.
Thank you, Mia. And don't forget, when I become a photography pro, you'll be my first model.
I'm looking forward to it. Just make sure to capture my good side.
Of course, I'll capture your best angles.
Deal. And when you're giving TED Talks about your English fluency, don't forget to mention your conversation with me.
It'll be in the credits for sure.
Michael, remember that learning isn't just about the destination, it's about enjoying the journey.
You're right, Mia. This conversation has been about so much more than just English. It's been about friendship and inspiration.
That's the beauty of conversations, they can change our perspective and enrich our lives.
Well, I'm grateful for this conversation and the connection we've formed today.
Likewise, Michael. Take care, keep learning, and remember, you've got a world of words waiting to be explored.
I will, Mia. Until next time.